Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix Fortnite matchmaking error. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. Actually, there are two ways to fix this. It is not that hard, so don't worry. So the problem can either be on your side or an Epic Games server side. In order to identify it, we'll first try to fix the problem for people who have it on their side. So this issue happens because the connection to the server timed out. Now it doesn't matter if you're on PC, on consoles, this will apply to all of you. All you have to do is pretty much close Fortnite and then reset your router. You can simply plug it out and plug it back in, and that should work as well. After that, all you have to do is launch Fortnite. Make sure to first go into a normal game, meaning it can either be a build mode or a non-build mode. Doesn't matter, but just make sure it is official Epic Games Fortnite game and not creative. So play a game of Fortnite and then head into the tournament section and queue up. That should fix it. However, if it doesn't, then the error is definitely on the Epic Games server side. So there is a workaround and you can actually get into the game. So all you need to do is spam the ready button. It will keep kicking you out and showing the error, but press OK and ready again and again and again until it works. It got me into the game, and after the game, I've never encountered the same error again. Now, as I said, it is server-sided. This is all you can do. That's how you can fix Fortnite matchmaking error. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.